All right, so it's a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited with a 5.7 liter engine. And there's something wrong with the motor. It's been sitting for about 3 years, and so I just had it towed over here not too long ago, and I'll show you a quick video of that. This is the day we're going to tow it, get it to our place. This 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee that has a problem with the motor for $500. We'll see what we can do with it. And so we're going to try to fix it up and see if we could use it on our property. And I've got some plans that I want to use this for if I can get it to run. It has a good strong motor. It's a V8, and it apparently will produce about 330 horsepower, I guess, when it's tuned right and running right. And also it can pull about 7,000 pounds, which is what I'm interested in, because it does have a factory hitch in the back. I think the Limiteds all did, if I'm not mistaken. So that's good. That's what I want to use it for. I want to use to pull some equipment around that we're going to be using, and I might be using to make some income with. So that was kind of the reason. And plus I figured I like playing with motors, and so I don't know a whole lot about them. I just know how to take them apart and put them back together, and look at YouTube and learn that way. So having said all that, here's the issue. I can turn the engine over a certain amount, and then it freezes up. I can go the other direction and it'll go almost all the way around, and then it freezes up. And here's what I mean. I'll show you. I've got a wrench on here. I don't have the serpentine belt on there, so that I can see for sure that there's nothing else obstructing it or getting in the way of this engine turning over. So you can hear a little bit the air coming out of the pistons. I have the spark plugs out, and it'll go and turn. That was just a boot came off. It's turning over pretty decently, no problem. And now I just hit. No, it goes gone now. Keeps going. It keeps going. There. Now I just hit something. It just stopped dead, and I heard a clunk. Now I'm going to turn it the other way, and then it'll go all the way around. Okay, so now I will turn this way. No problem. I suppose the other boot. There we go. Now it's stopped. I cannot get it to move any further than that. I'm assuming it's a valve, or I don't know. I'm not sure exactly. But everything else seems fine except for when it gets to that spot. So I think I'm going to have to take this engine apart and check out the valves. And I don't know. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to find. But that's what I'm dealing with. I do believe it's cylinder 6. This is what came out of cylinder 6 as far as spark plugs go. You can see here that it broke, and there's soot all the way right up until where the boot covers it. And the boot had soot on the outside of it as well, which leads me to believe that this spark plug was probably not all the way in. Either that or was banged out. I don't think so. It was in there pretty tight. But that's what we have. That's cylinder 6. Cylinder 8 has a spark plug that the electrode, I believe it is touching that little piece of metal. And those are the two cylinders that have issues. The other ones don't, as far as the spark plug goes. So if you have any ideas, I'd love to hear them.